So this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also, guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what JPY will be doing for us for the day. Now, let's start with our previous trend first. We are going to look at the main trend, the full bigger trend, and we're also going to be looking at the current trend. Now, this is the main trend, the full bigger trend right here on our EURJPY. You can see that the main trend and the full bigger trend on our EURJPY is an uptrend move. You can see that market is clearly trending to the upside. This is a very strong bullish move on our EURJPY, right? EURJPY is strongly to the upside, pushing up, right? Giving us a movement to the upside, strong bullish move, right? Now, we add this multiple rejection right here, right? So in the long run, EURJPY will actually push up to come back to this level. Because if you take a look at this, you can take a look at this to be a first breakout. So if you are a swing trader, you would want to hold your position for for the next 1 to 2 weeks, or even possibly 3 weeks, right? Going for the buy because in the long run, EURJPY will definitely give us that bullish move. Have that in mind, it will give us the bullish move, right? So, like I said, if you're a swing trader or you're a position trader going for the buy on your EURJPY. Now, to those day trader, if you're a day trader, you want to see what markets will be doing for the day. So anticipate some kind of bullish move also, because if you take a look at this right here, if you're to see this movement to be the first high, and here is the higher low, market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? The market was now able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right here. This is the higher low. Now we will be anticipating for another bullish move that should form a new higher high by taking out this high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your EURJPY, be going in for the buy. As EURJPY will continue to push up one more time to give us a bullish move, this is able to take out this high right here, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move is what we are going to be anticipating for on EURJPY. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. I will put the link to the Telegram in the comment section.